Yeah, what's going on, children? We finally got on the ship here in the room 9111. We're right here up on the Lido deck, but our room number is 9111. And check it out, this is our room. We got it's a scenic ocean view. Scenic ocean view with a king size bed. I'm like a yoga mat for your luggage if your luggage does yoga. And I'll tell you, our luggage was pretty heavy. And so like a king size bed, like I said, then you got the nightstand over there, nightstand, and then your sofa here pulls out, and they said it's almost like another king size bed. And then you got a little table over there. And we about to tell us something.
Well, a very good evening, Carnival Sunshine family. This is Emma, your cruise director. I do hope you're having a great evening so far and you're finding your way around our ship okay. So I just want to take this time to warmly welcome.
All right, we checked on. We got on here around 6:30. Didn't get through until about 7 or so, anyway. But so we're about to have our muster safety briefing shortly. But anyway, here's the room continuation. You know, you got a TV in there. You got a, I think that's a refrigerator, maybe. Yeah, refrigerator. You got your little drawer there, desk if you want to pull out the chair there, write some mystery cards or something. You got some water.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. May I have your attention, please?
Again. Okay, now you got 4 big bottles of water, an elephant saying, well, welcome aboard, some more water, and a few glasses, phone, a few drawers, with a blow dryer, put your personal stuff in there. You all know that if you've been on a cruise before. You got your safe, the deposit box, and you got your closet over here. Hang up your stuff there. Women's purses up there. There you go, life vests. All right. A few hangers, life jackets. There you go, the door. And your bathroom, shower, sink. And again, this is a scenic ocean view, but check this out. You'll love this part. You hit these buttons and you can close the blinds. That's a big suitcase there. That thing weighed. Got all our clothes in there. It was heavy. Close the blinds for nighttime privacy, but hey, we sailing. We on a cruise. And nobody should be able to see us up here on the 9th floor anyway. We're out at the ocean. Not yet, but we're in Charleston, South Carolina, about to pull out on a cruise, 4-day cruise to Nassau, the Bahamas. And this is a room, scenic ocean view. So hope you enjoyed it. I forgot one thing. If you pull your room key out, you got to put it in there. If you take it out, you lose. Well, when you walk into the room, you got to have your key in there to keep the power on, lights and stuff on. I forgot to mention that. Thanks for watching.